Hi everyone, welcome to the second video of Module 8, and here we are going to talk about the problem statement and the data that we are going to deal with in this module. Starting with understanding the problem statement, then we are going to mount our Google Drive to the Google Colab notebook, and then finally add the dataset to the Google notebook. So let's get started. So here is the problem statement. We are given a tabular data from the SDSS astronomical survey, that is the Sloan Digital Sky survey. And using this data, we have to create a neural network with the help of TensorFlow and Keras API. And it's going to classify the objects that are present in this data as either of the star, galaxy or quasar. So this data will have three different classes: star, galaxy or quasar. So the whole idea is we are having this particular data set that is given in the CSV file. We are going to split this data into training set and the testing set. After that, we are going to train the model with the help of trained data, and then we are going to test our model after the training is completed on the test data. So that's how we are going to progress. And here is the first step that we are performing, that is adding the data to our Google Drive. And for that, I'll have to download this data set from this link. And if I click on this link again, it will download this data into my system. After this, what I'll do is I'll add this data to my Google Drive. So I'll click again over here and go to my drive. And over there inside my drive, I'll be uploading this data. So I'll go to my file upload and upload this SDSS tabular data over here. Now, once that this step is done, what I'll do is I'll go and mount my Google Drive into the Google Colab so that we can get access of this particular file from the Google Drive in the Google Colab notebook. You can surely go ahead and try to directly have this file from your system into your file storage of your Google Colab. Even that is fine. But this is the method that I'm going to stick with. So how we can mount our Google Drive to the Google Colab notebook? We have written this code. And by the way, if you are wondering from where we got this code, if I just click on this particular thing, that is mount drive, it's going to give you the same exact code. All right. So I just delete that part and stick to what we are already having. And I'll run this code cell. And it's going to ask for some of the permissions. Please go ahead and make sure you are using the correct account on which you have added this file. Give all the permissions over here. Now, once this mounting process will be completed, it will be showing an option of the drive over here itself. If I just cross check it, the data has been uploaded successfully. Now it says that the mounted at content stress drive, that is in this particular workspace, that is the content. Inside that there will be a drive folder. For you, it might be a G drive or a drive, depending on how you are running this particular code. Right now, because I've written drive over here, if I refresh it, you can see the drive folder has been opened. So we have successfully connected our Google Drive with our Google Colab notebook. So that's the end of the video over here. I hope you are coding along with me. And if yes, the first step over here is completed. That is adding the data set to the Google Colab notebook. Now in the next video, we are going to start with exploring this particular data set. So just stay tuned for that.